Hi everybody, welcome to accounting. I'm Mr. Shank and hopefully we'll get you through this. Presently, right now what you see on your screen here is I'm logged into Canvas, which is the home screen you're actually able to see here. And keep in mind I have everything organized by modules. And that's the second item on the list because it's the most important. So if you click modules, it opens a list of things we're doing. This year we're using CH1WorkingTogether1 accounting for general journals, and it's switched over from the 9th edition to the 11th edition, so it's a little bit different than it has been for in the past. And so the assignments are going to be here, and we're going to use MindTap, which we're going into, and there's instructions here that actually get you into it and register for the class, so you can actually use the online part. So let me go to MindTap so you can see what that looks like. And this is kind of the picture of the book, and it'll come up. The nice thing about it is the textbook is online completely, and we're doing part 1, which is accounting 1. Over here on the left is kind of the assignments, so there's chapter 1. I just expanded those out so you can see that. Over here on the right side you have kind of a menu bar going through here. The full book is actually what the book looks like. So if I click on that, so you see the copy of the book there and everything. And you go up to chapters. And so if you go to chapter 1, everything is organized there in chapter 1. And so and there's some things we're going to work together on. And so we're going to do this, and I'll try to do short videos. I had it for previous classes, but they're a little outdated because of this new version of the textbook. So be patient with me, and hopefully it'll work and we'll be okay. But we're going to do the section 1, the end of the lesson part here. And let me see if I can bring that open. And so it opens up, and there's some audit questions here, and there's a work together, different things like that we'll go through. So and we'll try to do, these are the key terms you should pick up, there. So let me go back. I guess I should show you this arrow here. It moves you back through the chapters of the book so you can see it. If you're done with this, you can just click the X. It brings us back to the menu we were at before. And these are little carrots that open up. You can expand the lessons and see that. And when the arrow's pointing upward, it opens. And so here's working together here, 1-1. And this we'll try to do together as a class, but if you're absent or something, there'll probably be a video that you could actually look this up too. And then there's half of it's on your own, and part of it we'll do together. So this one here is Megan. Is a recent college graduate. She applied for her first credit card, and the creditor asked her for a personal net worth statement. Megan owns a scooter worth $2,000 and has $800 in her checking account, and she owes JC Auto $920 and River College $125. Complete a net worth statement for Megan. Find her and select the current date in the appropriate fields, and assets should be listed in order of liquidity, and so cash should be listed first. Liabilities should be recorded alphabetical order. So if you just go ahead and type this in with me, we're going to put Megan Finder. There's a drop down arrow which allows us to go to it. Obviously the name of the person is going to be first, or the company if it's a business. And this financial statement is the net worth statement, and then it's going to go to the current day. And we always start with assets first, because remember the definition of asset is what a business owns, and it says go with cash first because it's the most liquid. It takes a few seconds so we can have money out of the bank and it'd be in feature of cash. So we listed that $800. The scooter is the other asset she owns. That's $2,000. So our total assets that she owns is $2,800. We list her liabilities, and it says alphabetical order. So we put JC Auto, $920, River College, $125. So remember, the definition of liability is money that you owe to somebody else, like a bank or a college, I guess, in this case. So her total liabilities, or total debt, is $1,045. That means if I take the total assets minus the total liabilities, that gives me a net worth of $1,755. And there's her net worth on there. So there's Working Together 1-1. Enjoy. You should be able to work on Working Together. You should be able to do On Your Own now, 1-1. And it should be similar to this. It's just kind of reinforcing the accounting equation, which is assets minus liability equals net worth or equity. So, and you can flip that around, but it's still the same. So good luck.